getting a run. Valverde with an opportunity. Sees it a bit late, but there's Langley not sure whether to go to cover
Valverde, and we've analysed this an awful lot on La Liga television, that he's
looking down in Vinicius Jr. puts the cross in with the outside of his foot, gets the return ball for Benzema.
such ability to go with him.
Can Barcelona respond? Jordi Alba cuts it in, and it's
cuts himself maybe a quarter of a metre to stay onside, and there seems to be a little doubt about it at the moment. It's because he bends his run. He comes. Just this ball is perfectly timed. Nansu can't fail.
Classico gets off to an electrifying start. Cruz. De Jong tries a back healer. It comes to Coutinho. He returns it to the Dutch. Here's Messi on the ball. Does well to find Coutinho. Well, there's no time for replays as Barcelona insist on coming for Alba. Cuts it back towards Pedri. And
Messi, as if, oh, it's Messi, I'd better give it to him. He gives the ball too long. It's a lovely ball.
Vinicius making the run. Mendy saw him, and so too comes inside. Finds Casemiro. Casemiro over the top. Oh, it's given away. Messi gets away from Casemiro. Messi shots!
You were out of control. You lunged. The ball wasn't there.
And the referee sees Messi stay down.
People, they find that hard to swallow as a FIFA.
Benzema, Piqué. Sticking with him, Piqué's there. Well, Neto went for it, and Paul.
Real need to say that there's a foul here. Maybe Nacho uses a hand as he's falling.
Here's Messi, collects, gets away from Ramos. Cruz. It's a hell of a chase back for Langley. Benzema, and this time
safe. This, I think, is a little bit more regulation, because this is the moment where he does what he wants here. Bye-bye. And at that point
to Messi. Messi turning, bundled over by Varane. Free kick to Real Madrid. It's been absolutely even, Graham, in terms of chance. Messi gets away from Casemiro into the area. Down he goes.
Question that it's legitimate. That was with the naked eye. Ball taken.
Our operation room in communication with Martinez Munwera risks, and therefore giving us an even greater spectacle.
I'd love to see that.
Sends it down the line to Leo Messi. Cruz, head back run from Alba, tries to cut it back. It's blocked by Asensio. Benzema leaves it for Casemiro. Just got out of his control. He manages to momentarily, and that'll be a free kick. Nacho.
Wasn't just late because of timing, it was deliberate. You're not getting past me.
Find Vinicius. Vinicius trying to get away from Serginho Dent.
Oh, that's...
Cruz swings in the free kick, it's headed clear. New inside to Alba. Alba driving for the byline, gets the cross in.
He's still not back.
Nacho gets the cross in. It's cross from Casemiro, and it's too far.
It certainly looked like it. And it's so he's obviously very clear, but his need to go off.
Casemiro, lovely ball. It's collected by Vinicius Jr. Vinicius
will target.
Cruz with the corner. Casemiro up for it. De Jong.
For me, it hasn't been the all Barcelona. No.
Ball wide for Mendy, looks long and just in the way.
Dembele waiting in the wings.
Ball launched in.
They're right about the crowd being missing. Of course, we say that for every
boot. Messi chugs. Vasquez tries to defend. Messi to his Amiro. Spots the opening, but sends it harmless. Fati, nice run out wide right, waiting for the trailing run.
Had he kept on running at that back post.
The two Ajax boys fighting their way through. Nice ball back. Fati, flag stays down, chipped across, Coutinho!
Here to pick his spot, he goes for the far corner, instead of wonderful from Fati.
By the way, possession in the second half.
Very consistent type of player, and of course, and you would think it would be Dembele coming in. Ball, nicely.
Now a chance for Benzema, but as he waits for... Ball through, delivering Marc-Andre ter Stegen. Ball launched to the 6, carries through every bit of a tug. Ooh, on that angle.
This one will be given.
Bowman trying to have a peek. Jorge Diaz grab.
It is absolutely a grab, and it's
converted. He's looking for his second, and he sneaked.
an accuracy. It's a good attempt by Neto here, but again, the coolness and shrewdness, but the power is perfect. The beard rose. And Koeman being that world-class defender that he was, and how much he's going to influence this Barcelona.
It's Real Madrid, and that's stretching towards 6. For Coutinho, tries to wrong foot Varane. Looks long. Ramos
A little bit when it comes back to Sergio.
back around Asensio across the 6. Luke Busquets almost sneaks it in, but Vasquez. Barcelona doesn't have a lot of time off next week. Swept away. De Jong, Alba, and Asensio down to block Griezmann. At least not off the bat. The VAR penalty. Ball inside, slapped a ball from Benzema. Messi
And Griezmann
gets it back off the clearance, and Modric defends. Right foot though. Busquets bundled over by Vinny. Scored
almost mission impossible. This
since May of 18. Dest. Loose third. It's practically over, you'd imagine. They'll pull it out. Fati exits, Griezmann in. You saw Pedri exit. Wait. Chance for Rodrigo. Trying to get around Longley. Alba has to wait. Vasquez blocks twice by Vinicius. Neto gets to block, but it falls for Rodrigo.
But he says, not here. I'll take this one. Threatening ball. Neto comes out, spills it. Ball's played back, and he detonates this one. Again,